everyone, I am Hazel from Downtown Doodle, and today we have Rooster and Shady's puppies.
They're so cute. We just finished pick day today, and we have a few of these babies up for grabs. They are super sweet, mellow babies, and they have really strong Bernese traits. You can see that they're very stocky. We have Zuri here. She's my little mini poodle. So you can see the comparison of a Bernedoodle versus a poodle. Definitely a lot more stocky. Zuri's still cute though. Hi. So these are the boys. There's 10 babies in this litter, so we're going to separate them out a bit. The one on Hazel's lap is Mr. Crush. Can you hold him up for us to see? And Crush is pretty mellow and laid back. He's also one of the bigger boys of the litter.
He's heavy.
He's got beautiful eyebrows. These guys are mini Bernedoodles. They're going to range between the mini and medium size. So they will average about 30 to 45 pounds full grown. The boys usually end up being on the larger end of that spectrum and girls on the smaller end. And every breeder kind of classifies their mini and mediums a little differently. So that's why I say they're kind of between the ranges. And this boy here is Mr. Rooty. He's so handsome. Can we see his side and his legs? He's got one white sock that's longer, one brown sock that's longer. So cute. We're going to bring their sisters in here in a minute after we introduce these guys. 10 babies is a lot to keep track of. Hi.
You is heavy.
And then we have Dewy here. He's so handsome. I love all the white. Him and Rooty look a lot alike. They're very similar.
I think he's the biggest puppy. He's heavy.
You think? I think Crush is the biggest out of these four. But these boys are pretty similar in size. And then Mello. He's pretty mellow. And he's probably got the chunkiest Bernese face. He's really stocky. Super chill and laid back. He's also got one white sock and one brown sock. So cute. And they're worn out because we were doing FaceTimes outside. We let them run around, so they're really tired now. They're not really showing their personalities a whole lot. Can you set them all down and let them walk around a little bit? Mello, are you tired? Have to let their sisters in. You can hear them crying. They want to come inside. They're like, let us in. So Dewy on the end, and then we have Crush, and then we have Mr. Mello with his tongue out, and then we have Rooty. Okay, such cute boys. Now we're going to bring in the girls. Okay, so here we have 3 of the girls. We have Cola on the end, who is one of the smaller girls. Sprite is probably the biggest female in this litter. And then Miss Fizz is on the end. And they are so cute. Precious. Earlier they were running around on the grass playing, but now they're pretty worn out. Are you hot from being outside, pretty girl? Yeah. They're so cute. Oops. This is like, what is this? What is this? This is cute Fizz. Okay. Introduce us to Sprite. She's a stocky girl.
She is.
She's beautiful. Okay. We see Cola. Tuffy's mad. He wants to come and say hi to the babies. Okay, so those are the 3 girls. Sprite's probably the largest female. Not by a whole lot, but by a little bit. And then Miss Fizz was reserved today, so she's not up for grabs. And then Cola on the end is one of the smaller girls. You set her over here so she can walk around and play. Personality-wise, I would say usually Cola is a little more outgoing and Sprite is more calm. But it kind of depends on the day too and when they take their nap last. They've all got such cute personalities, huh? You got such a cute personality. And so weak soft eyes, huh? And so weak soft eyes. You just like this bug. Come here. She wants to go on your lap. We're like, oh babe, nap time.
Very cool.
Such cute babies. Can you show me their faces one more time?
Yeah.
Spritey girl. Fizzy girl. And Cola. Such cute babies. Our last three girls, on the far left we have Shasta, in the middle we have Miss Pepsi, and on the end we have Miss Pepper. Hey babies, so Pepper is probably the smallest girl. It's Pepper and then Cola. Pepsi and Shasta are about the same size. Hey Shasta, hey pretty girl. Pepper's probably one of the more outgoing ones at this point. What is this? Hello. I know, are you guys tired? Yeah, you're tired. This is Pepsi in the front here. Hello. Pepsi, making your cute little eyebrows. She's definitely got a little more white than some of the other babies. Shasta's got a lot of brown. Cute little face. And then Pepper and Dewy are playing. So it's like, hey, cute little puppy. Can you grab Pepper and show us her little face? Dewy. Be nice. Girl. She's like, I like to play with this little girl. Okay, you can set her back down. Guys are such cute babies. So those are the last three girls. And they're so beautiful. Now that the babies got a little nap, we figured we'd come out here and do a little video so you could see more of their personalities. So here we have Mello. And we also have Dewy. Come on. You guys want to come back? Okay. Go over here. Such cute boys. Okay. And then we have Cola and Pepper. And between his legs, who do we have here? I can't see your face. We have Rooty and Shasta and Pepsi, Dewy, Mello, Sprite, right here. Oh, Sprite. Hello, Shasta. Mello. Cola. They're so cute. Clear over there, Pepsi. And who's that? That's Dewy. Fizz. Pepper and Crush. Crush is running towards him. This is Crushy boy here. Hey, Crush. Shasta, Cola. Rooty is laying down between his arms. Mello is right there. Hi, Pepsi. Hi, Dewy. We have Pepper. And a couple puppies we have wrestling. Come here. And we have Miss Sprite back there. Zuri. Zuri. That's why it's good to spend time with other dogs, because they learn respect and not to bite each other. Zuri, come here. They're such cute puppies.
This one's like, man, I'm gonna lay in shade.
Huh. Okay. Well, I thought we'd take another video outside to show their cute personalities now that they're more awake. But those are Shady and Rooster's babies. They're doing so good and they're such sweethearts. Come on, Mello. Say bye.